Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus the Gran Maja. Now if you like this video and you want to see more big battle videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try to draw some more. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now start off with Godzilla versus Gran Maja. Let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to kind of go up and then back. And then we're going to curve a little line here for the eye. Let's make a little line down and a couple little lines behind it. Let's make a little broken line above. Then starting here, let's make a little line. It's just going to kind of come out and then down. We're going to kind of curve this around. And we're going to make two little lines for the nose. Let's make a couple little lines here, and we're going to bring this line back. Let's kind of bring this line up and down, and then around and down to here. Then we're going to curve this line down here for the mouth. Let's make a bunch of sharp pointed teeth along the top. And then let's curve this line down and put a few back here. Let's make some pointed teeth right across here. Then we're going to make a little curved line for the tongue. Then let's bring a line up here for the other part of the mouth. Let's kind of curve a line around here. Then we're going to go down and then up here, and we're going to kind of make it a little bumpy for the jaw. Next, let's bring this line over and then down for the head. Then we're going to do this a few more times, just kind of shape out the neck. I'm going to bring this line down a few times and just kind of bring it over here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of curved lines for like the neck of Godzilla. We're going to kind of bring these up. I'm going to bring this line down to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and then over to here. And then I'm going to curve this line around for the arm. We're going to make another line here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come right over to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve up and down to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve down and up here. And I'm going to put the other fingers right behind here. And we're going to connect this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make Godzilla's other arm coming up here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come up and down for one of the fingers here. And then I'm going to curve this around for the thumb. A couple little lines, we're going to bring this over. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then a couple lines here to kind of shape out the body. Now, we're going to stop right here with this, and we're going to work on the Gran Maja, just so we can kind of get some more details in here before we continue with Godzilla's body. So, starting here, we're going to make the mouth kind of connected to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to kind of curve this up. Then I'm going to bring this line down here, and then connect it to here. And we're going to bring this line up. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come up here. And we're going to bring this down. We'll make another little line right here. Now for the mouth, we're going to make this kind of like wiggly, bumpy line. This is going to be where like the gums are. And then we're going to make a bunch of like really sharp pointed teeth in here. We're going to put some behind here as well. We're going to do the same thing here, kind of like this wiggly, wavy gum line. And then we're going to put a bunch of sharp pointed teeth here. Next, for the eyes, I'm going to make a little circle shape here and a little circle shape here. Now I'm going to make a couple smaller ones over here. I'm going to add a few little lines kind of right around here too. I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve down. I'm going to make it kind of curve up here. Then I'm going to bring this line kind of back and then around to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve up. And then a couple more. And I'm going to bring this line up with a little line here. Next, over here, I want to work on Godzilla's leg. So, starting here, I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to kind of curve down. Then we're going to make this line kind of come down and then over. We're going to add a couple little wrinkle lines here. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and in. And then another one here. And then one here for the foot. I'm going to bring this line to here, and I'm going to bring this up. A couple little curved lines kind of right where the knee would be. And then let's go ahead and add some little curves right here onto the foot. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up for like the tail of the El Gran Maja, and we're going to bring some lines up here for it. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come right up here, and I'm going to bring this up here for Godzilla's tail, and we're going to kind of bring this down. Next, right along the back, let's make some of Godzilla's spikes. So let's begin by making a couple small little pointed spikes. We're going to do about 3 to 4 points on each of these spikes. So we're just going to make some little points on here. I'm also going to put some right along here too. Then we're going to start with some bigger spikes on here. We're going to make these like 3 to 4 point kind of jagged spikes on here. Make these come all the way down to here. And then we'll put another row of big spikes kind of right in between, just to really fill it up. Now to do some detail on Godzilla, let's kind of bring some of these little lines right across here and across his mouth. Make some lines kind of coming up here. We'll make some little curved lines for the claws, and we'll make some extra lines on there. We'll make some little broken lines kind of coming right across here. And then some little lines kind of coming up and down for some detail. We'll make some lines coming right across the chest and stomach. Then let's do some broken lines kind of right across the leg here. And then we're going to do some kind of coming up the tail as well. Just kind of make some lines. We'll add like a long broken line down here. We'll add some little extra lines onto the feet as well. And then a few lines kind of coming up and down here. Now, on the El Gran Maja, let's draw some little lines up around the top and bottom of the mouth. And then some lines on the mouth here. Let's make some broken lines kind of coming down the body and the tail. And we can do some up here too. I'm even going to put some of these little like curved lines that come right across the body too. Just kind of give it a little bit more depth and detail. Then we put some little lines on this arm of Godzilla too. A couple little claws here. And there you go. There's your drawing of Godzilla versus the El Gran Maja. You will have to definitely let me know in the comments who you think is going to win this epic battle. And if you'd like to see more battles like this, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.